The new FH16 750 has additionally indicated with a Globetrotter cab and Volvo's I-Shift mechanized crawler gearbox. The last transmission alternative is accessible with the decision of a couple of crawler gears, in addition to the extra decision of additional converse riggings. A rundown of inside taxi choices incorporates Volvo's Drive 16++ bundle close by full cowhide trims with an ice chest, microwave and TV planning. Stoddard Crane Hire's attractive yellow and blue attire incorporates a manufacturing plant-applied, upgraded paint finish, and the high-determination two-fold drive tractor unit likewise incorporates Alco Adura Bright compound wheels with Michelin tires. A heap of post-retail fitments sees Truckmax fume stacks joined by suspension extra closets and a full scope of extra work, strobe and driving lights. SB components fitted the catwalk and frame infills.